Hello everyone. Introducing the all-new BMW X6 2024, a gathering of execution, luxury, and cutting-edge development. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a declaration. Could we bounce into what makes the BMW X6 2024 truly phenomenal? Immediately, the outside enchants with its extraordinary athletic arrangement. The prominent kidney grille, as of now more unquestionable than some other time, overflows conviction, while the scratched lines and strong position give the X6 a teaching presence making the rounds. Step inside, and you're invited by a vast expanse of extravagance. The meticulously made inside displays premium materials, top-tier development, and a characteristic infotainment structure. The sweeping sunroof permits in customary light, making an open and vaporous environment. Be that as it may, it's not just about looks. The BMW X6 2024 is a tech-amazing powerhouse. The cutting-edge driver assists structures with making every outing safer and more lovely. The responsive touchscreen interface, voice request capacities, and high-level driver shows rename the driving experience. As of now, could we talk execution? The X6 2024 is a thrill-seeker's dream. With a solid engine in the motor, flexible suspension, and precision planning, each drive is a dynamic and exciting experience. Whether cruising on the street or investigating city streets, the BMW X6 2024 conveys execution without agreeing to less. Considering everything, the BMW X6 2024 merges classiness, power, and advancement to re-evaluate the XS SUV experience. Lift your driving contribution in a conclusive blend of style and execution. The BMW X6 2024.